Hello everyone, welcome to IITN Padaiwala YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about a recruitment notification which is issued by Odisha Hydro Power Corporation Limited for the recruitment of graduate engineer trainees through GATE 2023. Start date for submission of application in offline mode and payment of application is through DD is 1st August 2023 and last date for receipt of the hard copy of application in complete shape along with all enclosures is 31st August 2023. Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited is a PSU which is gold rated state public sector undertaking and has six projects within the state of Odisha and one interstate project. OHPC is also promoting investment in the renewable energy projects and various green energy sources through GED COL, and OHPC intends to recruit bright, qualified and energetic professionals to be inducted as graduate engineer trainees in various disciplines through valid GATE score 2023. Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited is a very renowned organization working in the sector of hydel power generation, and it provides very good service conditions to the employees. So all the aspirants who has valid GATE score 2023 are encouraged to apply for these positions. The vacancies include GET electrical, total 27 posts are there. GET civil 3 posts, GET mechanical 3 posts, GET instrumentation and control 3 posts, GET information technology 2 posts, and the total emoluments to the graduate engineer trainees during the training period, stipend of rupees 50,000 per month is payable. Designation and grade after successful completion of the training period will be assistant manager E3, and pay scale on regularization will be per matrix rupees 56,100 to 1,77,500, and initial basic pay will be rupees 56,100. It is equivalent to gazetted officer scale of the central and state government, state and central governments. During the training period, graduate engineering training shall be also paid the consolidated stipend plus medical allowances at the fixed rate of rupees 2,200 per month, and an additional amount of rupees 1,000 per month shall be paid to the trainees posted as Bali Mela and Mukhi Guda as remote area allowances. Remote area allowances are admissible to the employees of Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited. Training period is for 1 year, and after successful completion of the training, the candidates will be placed in the pay scale as mentioned above. And service agreement, during the training period you have to execute a bond of rupees 2,16,000, and during the probation, after the completion of training period for 1 year, the candidates will be kept as probationer trainee, and for during the probation period a bond of rupees 1,50,000 is to be executed, and after confirmation for a period of 1 year, that is third year, the bond of rupees 90,000 is to be executed. Essential qualifications for these posts are first, primary qualification is candidates should have qualified GATE the GATE 2023, and all these candidates must have valid GATE score 2023. GATE scores prior to 2023 such as 2022 and 21 are not applicable for this recruitment. First post, graduate engineer trainee electrical must have electrical engineering degree, and the candidates of electrical and electronics engineering are also eligible. And for the civil engineering, the degree in civil engineering is required, and for the mechanical engineering, a full-time degree in mechanical engineering from any recognized institution. Instrumentation and control, full-time degree in engineering, instrumentation and control, or PG diploma in instrumentation and control. IT, full-time degree in computer engineering / computer science, or full-time degree in any discipline from recognized university / institution with 2 years PG diploma in computer science, and full-time master's degree in computer applications from recognized university with 60%. For all the post, the minimum percentage of marks in the degree is 60%. However, for the SC and ST candidates or PWD candidates, it is kept as 50%. Age of the candidates must be under 21 years to 38 years. Age on 1st July 2023. Upper age limit is relaxable to the reserved candidate as per norms of the government, and reservation is also applicable to the candidates as per norms of the government. Types of disability is also mentioned, for which the candidates are posts are suitable to the persons with disability and what are their functional requirements. Other eligibility candidates such as related to the general conditions are also mentioned here. All the candidates are advised to go through these general information. Selection process, candidates will be shortlisted out of the candidates applied on the basis of their GATE score 2023 marks out of 100 only. There will be no personal interviews. GATE score of 2022 or prior is not valid. Shortlisting list will be prepared only based on the marks obtained in the GATE 2023 in their respective disciplines. Shortlisted candidate will be called for document verification. List of eligible shortlisted candidates for document verification will be uploaded on the website of OHPC. The call letter will be sent to the email of the shortlisted candidate. No separate correspondence will be entertained in this regard. After document verification, the offer of appointment shall be issued to the selected candidates on the basis of their merit. In case of tie GATE scores, the career marks will be taken into consideration to finalize their merit. Career marks here means the marks obtained during the BTech degree. On selection, they shall be posted at any of the units, project sites and offices of OHPC and its subsidiaries. Application fee and mode of payment is through DD only. No online payment is available. You have to submit the DD along with your application form. These are the general instructions related to the application. Candidates are advised to go through these general instructions. How to apply? You have to fill the application in prescribed format. Prescribed format is available on the website of OHPC, ohpclimited.com, and print this application on A4 size paper and attach the documents with the application form, and then submit along with the non-refundable DD of rupees 750 in favor of Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited, and send this through the post on this address. Application for the post of GET to the Chief General Manager HR, Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited, OHPC and WC Building, Veni Vihar Chowk, Janpat, Bhubaneswar 751022. On the envelope, this should be written clearly. Application for the post of GET, and then address the application to this address. And your application in hard copy should reach to the OHPC office on or before 31/8/2023. Related to the any information, you can contact telephonically on this number, and you can also contact through the email between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Important dates are: start application offline mode on 1st August 2023 and last date is 31st August 2023. OHPC reserves the right to change the dates on account of administrative exigencies. Thank you so much. You may fill this form, and you can also visit I